Today, we're going to be exploring and discussing the current state of AI and driving. This is an incredibly exciting topic because AI and driverless cars are redefining what it means to get from point A to point B. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Until recently, self-driving cars were just an ambitious idea, unlikely to happen. Today, it's our reality. Of course, they are still not a common sight on the roads, but the technology is ready to use. Self-driving cars have become possible thanks to a number of AI-related technologies, primarily deep learning and computer vision. What do you need to know about artificial intelligence and self-driving cars? We all know about traditional driving, but how does AI come into play? Well, AI is an incredibly complex technology, and it allows for incredibly precise instructions and calculations to take place. In the case of driving, AI helps to navigate routes and make decisions based on the data that's being collected and analyzed. These driverless cars are making the transportation industry more efficient and comfortable while also allowing for more creative and sustainable solutions. In the near future, driverless cars could be the norm, and they could open up the possibilities for door-to-door transportation. First off, let's talk about the basics. Artificial intelligence has been present in modern cars for some time now. It has all started with smart driver's assistants that monitor the vehicle's surroundings and support the driver or alert them in case of an emergency or an accident risk. Such systems allow drivers to benefit from such solutions as emergency braking. For example, Volvo's CWAB system can use full braking power to stop the car and avoid the accident. Night vision. These systems use thermographic cameras to increase the seeing distance in darkness or poor weather conditions. Mercedes offers such a solution. Enhanced communication and alerts, voice commands, weather alerts, etc. Lane control. The vehicle alerts you when you drive off your lane. BMW offers such assistant. But that's just the beginning. We are all used to these intelligent assistants, as they've become common, especially in top-of-the-line cars. Let's go further because today, we have everything we need to put artificial intelligence in self-driving cars, making them 100% autonomous. Your company can benefit from this technology as well. One of the most significant benefits of AI and driving is that it makes it easier and safer for us to travel. Driverless cars are designed to be incredibly accurate and can detect even the smallest of obstacles in the road, making it much safer for all of us. Another great benefit of AI and driving is that it could reduce our environmental impact. By cutting down on the need for gas and helping to reduce traffic congestion, driverless cars could help to create a more efficient and greener transportation system. Finally, AI is already helping to increase our productivity by automating mundane tasks. In the transportation industry, AI can help to monitor and optimize routes, automate task assignments, and even analyze customer feedback and preferences to create the perfect travel experience. The future of driverless cars and AI is bright. We are already seeing promising results in the transportation industry, and it's only going to get better. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. That's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.